Grand Hall here, there is a sea of black that's sitting right in front of me right now. That's a bunch of Yeezy Gap Balenciaga items that I just picked up. These are from the second drop. I've got a hat with flames on it, a hoodie, I've got pants, and I've got a face mask. I'm gonna talk about all this stuff right ahead, so stay tuned. So this hoodie is a much less oversized version of the first hoodie. The fit has pretty dramatically changed. It's a lot more fitted. It's a little bit cropped. I previously covered that original Dove hoodie in a video. I'll put a link in the description to that, so check that out. Now this one is not oversized, but it does have those similar features. You've got that Dove on the back right there, Gap on the front chest. It's also double layer, but the rest of the details, they're much more traditional to the hoodie. Now, even though this isn't oversized, I did end up going a size smaller than the last one. On the website, it said the model was wearing a size medium. So many people have told me that I have the body of a model, and I liked the way it looked on him, so I went with a medium too. I do like the way this one fits. Maybe the sleeves just a little bit short, but everything else, I like it, and it's a nice contrast from that first hoodie. Now, a quick note, this is not made in the US. It's made in Cambodia, so just something to keep in mind. The first one was made in the US. This is a very fun take on the cargo pant. The material, it's pretty heavy. It's got, let's see if you can see that, a set of drawstrings. And then the thing that makes it so much fun, instead of those traditional side pockets, you've got the pockets that kind of wrap around the oops, I bumped the mic. You've got pockets that wrap around the thigh area. Look at that. See that? So that is, I'll hold it back here. So that is the upper thigh area. There is the crotch, and it hits right above that crotch seam. You've got two pockets here, one of them totally on the front, the other one starting on the front and wrapping around to your backside. So that is a lot of pocket space on these pants. That's gonna give me an opportunity to really expand what I carry on a day-to-day basis in my pants. I'm really excited about how practical these are. And of course, they look really nice too. This one's gonna be a game changer for me. Every time I browsed the Yeezy Gap website, my eye always went back to this hat. It's obviously very striking. It's got these gray flames running up along the hat. It's like a fancy take on a NASCAR hat or some sort of hat you'd find at a gas station. Those hats are typically so colorful. This one, very sleek with the black and gray. Not only does this hat look good on me, it feels really good too. It's not putting any unnecessary pressure on my skull at all. So good looking and comfortable. Very happy with this one. This shirt is made out of a really stretchy material, the kind of material that those shirts that you wear under football pads are made of. Look at how stretchy this is. Can really expand with some force. Now, one of my favorite details about this shirt is this chest pocket right here. Let me see if we can get this in the camera. There it is, this chest pocket. You can get a pretty decent amount of stuff in there. I could easily get my fist in there, so a fist-sized pocket that is pretty good on the chest. Now, I did plan on modeling this shirt for you, but when I tried it on, well, it was very form-fitting. It left pretty much nothing to the imagination. You could see the outline of my chiseled shoulders, my strong chest. You could see it all in this. I was worried that I wouldn't be able to monetize the video if I put this on. Now, on top of this shirt being tight, it's also really short. When I put it on, my belly button was fully exposed. I think for this shirt to work for me, I'm gonna have to rig it up with something and kind of wear it like a one-piece swimsuit. Now, the face mask, it has been popular for quite some time now, both in fashion and in not dying. I felt like I couldn't pass it up. Now, this particular face mask does not have a mouth opening. It's got 2 separate eye openings, and it is very stretchy, similar to that second skin shirt. I'm gonna put this on for you really quickly. I love the way this face mask fits. It's not lumpy in any spots. It's very form-fitting. My only complaint with this one, it is fairly hard to breathe. You can see probably on camera, my breath is sometimes going into my glasses. And like I said, it is a little bit hard to breathe in this, but everything else about it, I love it. Very good looking. Maybe it'll be better in the winter when you want to keep your face warm. Probably not a good summer mask. But I actually like it more with the hat. That feels like really a complete Yeezy Gap Balenciaga look. Yeah, I love that. So these were a handful of items from the second drop of that Yeezy Gap Engineered by Balenciaga collection. So I hope this was helpful. And thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon.